Mini Checklist Content Bank, your ultimate guide to key checks before tasks. 1. 3 checks before you start any risky task. Confirm the task scope, verify controls, and reassess if conditions change. 2. 3 signs your continuity plan is outdated. Changes in key contacts, procedures, or lack of tests suggest a need to update. 3. 3 checks before approving a project change. Review impact, confirm documentation, and ensure authority signatures. 4. 3 signs your risk register needs updating. Look for vague descriptions, missing actions, and new threats. 5. 3 checks before a stakeholder meeting. Define the objective, confirm participants, and prepare responses. 6. 3 signs your project is drifting off track. Keep an eye out for repeated milestone slips and unresolved issues. Final thought: group your checklists by theme, risk, governance, and planning to create a series effect. Thank you for watching. For more insights and checklists, subscribe to our channel.